Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important partition function, that is the electronic partition function. Based on the electronic partition function, how we have to get the question in our competitive examination. Once you have to see, GATE 2011, one question was asked, a system has two energy levels. A system has how many energy levels are there? A system has two energy levels with energies E and 2E. A system has two energy levels with energies E and 2E. One energy level is E, another energy level is 2E. So, the lower energy level is fourfold degeneracy, that is fourfold means the degeneracy is equal to 4, and the higher energy level is your GS is equal to twofold degeneracy. If there is n non-interacting classical particles in a system which is the thermal equilibrium, find the fraction of particles in the upper level. The fraction of particles in the upper level means the fraction of particles in the upper level. The fraction of particles in the upper level is equal to, the fraction of particles in the upper level is equal to, that is the probability of upper level we need to calculate. So, how we have to calculate? Once you have to see here. So, we are going to take, so the probability of that function is equal to the degeneracy into e to the power of minus beta into Es is divided by partition function. This is the probability formula. Corresponding to the your energy levels, you have to take, so that is the lower energy level energy is equal to E, that upper energy level energy is equal to 2E, that degeneracy of the lower energy level is equal to 4, the degeneracy of the upper energy level is equal to 2. So, therefore, the partition function is equal to summation of S GS e to the power of minus beta into Es. This is the partition function. This partition function we are going to take it as a, so if the generacy is there. So, therefore, so summation of S GS is equal to 4 into e to the power of minus beta into E plus 2 into e to the power of minus beta into 2E you have to write. So, now you know that what you have to know, your probability of the upper energy level is equal to, what is the degeneracy of that? So, 2 into e to the power of what is the energy of that? So, 2 beta into E is divided by, so what we have to write, it is your Z is equal to 4 into e to the power of minus beta into E plus 2 into e to the power of minus 2 beta into E. So, you have to take the common. So, which one you have to take the common? E to the power of minus 2 beta into E is divided by 2 into e to the power of minus 2 beta into E. You have to take the common. 1 plus 2 into, which one we have to write, it is e to the power of what we able to get it. So, 2 into e to the power of beta into A you have to write, you are going to get it as a, so 4 into e to the power of minus beta into E. You are going to get cancel. Therefore, the probability of that upper energy level is equal to 1 by 1 plus 2 into e to the power of beta into A, but beta is equal to 1 by kT. So, therefore, what we have to write, it is your so probability for the fraction of the particles of the upper energy level is equal to 1 by 1 plus 2 into e to the power of E by kT. So, this is your answer. So, what is your answer? Once you have to check it. So, it E by kT, that is not correct. So, option B is correct. 1 by 1 plus 2 into e to the power of E by kT. This one is wrong and this one is wrong. Like this you have to do in your competitive examination. If you know the formulas, if you know how to handling the question, that is the technical skill, that is a problem solving technical skill, then easy to get the answer. Clear? Already in each and every video we are informing you, we started the CSIR and GATE physics online coaching. Already 4 papers completely we recorded. Now we are under the 5th paper, that is the paper is statistical mechanics we are under. So under the statistical mechanics, so many things we taught in our app. For canvassing only, at least one question I am uploading in our YouTube channel. So you have to listen in YouTube channel. If you really like my teaching, if you really like my teaching style, you able to take the coaching also if you really likes. Otherwise you won't take, you have to inform to your friends about our institute. Clear? Thank you so much for encouraging us. So not only that, once you have to download my app, that is a Quantum Online Academy app. After that you have to call to me and negotiate me, and then our courses will display like this: CSIR and GATE physics, JL physics and DL physics, like that is there. So not only that, individual papers also available. If you want mathematical methods of physics, we finished this one. If you want the classical mechanics, we finished this one. If you want the electromagnetic theory, we finished this one. If you want the quantum mechanics, we finished this one. Now we are under the thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. This is the 5th paper. So 4 more papers are there. So that is electronics, 1 paper is there, and condensed matter physics, 1 more paper is there, condensed matter physics. Now the 3rd paper is atomic and molecular physics is there. That 4th one is nuclear and particle physics is there. So these 4 papers we need to finish. So up to the set examination, if you want to prepare the set examination, maybe these 2 papers I will cover, because only 2 months is there. Within 2 months I want to finish these 2 papers. Rest of the 2 papers you have to read by your own self, because in our YouTube channel whatever I am teaching, that is also enough for you. So if you want to pour, clear? Otherwise if you want to pay or purchase, so you have to take the app, in detail explanation you able to get the theory. Clear? So thank you so much. Once download the app and you see what I am teaching in our app. Thank you.